Lubrication system. Oil filtration. Preview.
Filter plugging. During normal engine operation, the engine oil becomes contaminated from the combustion process as well as from debris and oxidation products. Engine oil filters do not plug as long as the engine oil remains suitable for use in an engine. A filter that plugs is performing its intended function of removing particulate matter from the oil. Filter plugging is the result, not the cause of an engine lubricating oil problem. There are several types of filter plugging. The most frequently observed are outlined below. 1. Excessive oil contamination occurs when the oil's limit for handling combustion contaminants is exceeded. Filters plugged in this way have a heavy buildup of loosely held sludge. This type of contamination is caused by fuel soot, oxidation products, and products of combustion which have accumulated in the oil to the point that the filter is no longer able to function. Causes of this type of plugging include excessive oil change intervals, poor maintenance practices, and high blow-by. 2. Impaired dispersancy is caused by coolant leaks into the crankcase, or a buildup of condensed moisture. This moisture impairs the operation of the oil's dispersant, so that fuel soot and carbon cling together and dropout takes place. Coolant or moisture in the crankcase can also cause part of the oil's additive package to precipitate from the oil and plug the filter. 3. Gel or emulsion formation is a form of plugging caused when water or coolant contaminates oil. It often occurs when oil in a bulk storage tank contains a small amount of water less than 0.5%. Filter plugging can take place rapidly after such oil has been added to the engine. Maximum engine life is dependent upon the correct use and maintenance period of full-flow bypass or combination lubricating oil filters that protect vital engine components from the abrasive contaminants which are held in suspension in the lubricating oil. Engine manufacturer company requires the use of full-flow filters on all of its engine models. The full-flow filter will remove contaminant particles of 30 microns and larger which can be suspended in the engine oil. Particles of this size can cause immediate bearing damage. The bypass filter receives approximately 10% of the total pump output, filters it, and returns it to the oil pan. The purpose of the bypass filter is to remove the smaller abrasive particles, down to 10 microns, which the full-flow filter does not capture, and to maintain the oil contaminant concentration at a level low enough to prevent engine wear. Many engine manufacturer uses a combination lubricating oil filter which contain both a full flow and a bypass filter in one filter can.
The service life of a combustion engine will be enhanced through the use of quality engine oil and filters. As the oil circuit becomes contaminated by combustion residues, metal and other dirt particles, it's absolutely essential to use a reliable filter to clean the oil. One frequently used type is the spin-on filter. The dirty oil is pumped to the filter, where it passes through a special filter medium with pleats designed to withstand high-pressure differentials and which is resistant to aggressive chemical substances in the oil. Inferior quality filters do not have stable pleat geometry and have a lower dirt capacity. In addition, smaller particles are not retained. They remain in the oil circuit and cause increased engine wear. Poor quality filters can also tear easily when exposed to high-pressure differentials. Unfiltered oil therefore reaches the engine and within a short period of time causes substantial damage. However, with the constant buildup of dirt and chemical aging of the oil, It's essential to change both the oil and the oil filter together on a regular basis. Poor quality filter housings have a number of disadvantages. When using inferior sealing materials, there's the risk of oil leaking between the filter housing and the engine block. Inadequate surface protection when sprayed with water can cause corrosion. This can also result in loss of oil. Finally, if undersized or inferior quality housing materials are used, there's the danger of bursting, resulting in major damage to the engine.
Please like, share, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.